Hey guys, welcome back to my video. We're doing another cooking video. I just got off work like an hour and a half ago. I'm about to make this quick meal for dinner and lunch. Got this chicken mozzarella stuffed meatballs from Sam's Club, so I'm about to make something with that. I got pasta, some tomato sauce. I'm making like a tomato slash heavy whipped cream sauce to put the chicken in, the meatballs in, and then just put on top of some pasta. Right now, I'm about to get ready to chop my garlic while my pasta water is heating up so I can put my pasta in there. I'm really starved and tired. I've been working on my off days. I only had like one day off, and my actual work week starts tomorrow. So, yay! I'll be working 6 days this week. And I got my elephant garlic because I love elephant garlic. It's way easier and it's bigger when it comes to chopping garlic. And who doesn't love garlic? I love garlic. So I'm going to chop up like half of one of the big elephant garlic. It makes it look real good. It smells so good. Garlic just smells good. I pretty much put it about everything that I cook. Chopping all this not steak. I do need my hand open this. Okay, boom. Done chopping up my garlic. I am about to heat my little pot up. I'll put this in, but I'm also about to go ahead and open this because I only need like my garlic to heat up for like a minute to let it get fragrant. Then I'm gonna add everything in. Then I'm gonna show y'all what all I'm gonna add to the sauce. Here's my vegetable oil. I'm about to put my garlic in there. So I just dumped my pasta in there, and I did this one. I had this remaining. It's supposed to do like a Valentine's party, but we had to cancel it. So I'm gonna use half of that. And the garlic is cooking. And we're gonna stir it, let it get all good in there. Start getting fragrant. Then I'm gonna add my tomato sauce and heavy whipped cream. There it goes. Here's my tomato sauce. It's cooking. I'm about to season it to my liking and then add my heavy whipped cream. So very good garlic. And got some smoked paprika. Greek seasoning. Onion powder. cayenne seasoning. Let me change it so it's together. Roasted garlic and herb. If it actually like it. Not gonna roast it, but it's roasted garlic and herb. Got some black pepper. Last but not least, I have no salt. Tony Touchers, no salt. It's seasoning, but it has no salt. You know, let it go. I'm gonna add my heavy whipping cream. If y'all don't know, Amazon has Amazon groceries where you order them on Amazon, just be like the grocery app. And they'll deliver right to your door. Late flight, especially if you don't like grocery store, because I really don't like going to the grocery store. And I put probably about like a cup in, I'm gonna mix that together. Let that get good mixed in. And once I'm doing that, I am going to add my spinach. Then I want the spinach to cook down. I'll show you how it's look. Especially before I add the spinach. And then the meatballs come at them at the same time because the meatballs got to heat up. But here's the sauce. So I'm looking at it, I'm going to add cheese to it, but I really just want this to connect. This is really like a alligator meal because like, I don't know, but I really don't want to cook for dinner. I do have some garlic sticks and stuff that I am going to put in the oven. But it's like a throw together mix. That's like, I bought those chicken mozzarella sticks from Sam's. So like, I really been wanting those. So it's like, what can I just throw together real quick? And so I did find out I have endometriosis earlier this month. So I'm trying to find more stuff that is like a lot of that will help from the pain and stuff. So I'm really going to be not changing my diet, but trying to incorporate more of the things that help with the pain for that and inflammation, all that stuff that I need to get down. So that's going to be a whole journey of me trying to do that and figure that out. So I'm going to take it right along with that and talk about that. I'm supposed to have a consultation with an intuition specialist next month. So I'm supposed to be probably having surgery sometime next month in June. So let's talk about how that goes. So I'm gonna put this whole spinach thing in here because spinach bolts down to a little too much, and I really do need to use it. I'm going to add some cheese too before I add the chicken. And I'll just come together. And I have Cody Jack cheese, like Amazon groceries. That's where I order my groceries from. I really don't go to the grocery store, but I absolutely need to. And I always be picking up shit, so it's like easier for it to come to me, especially on my days off. I actually have all 3 of my days off. I don't plan going nowhere. Amazon groceries. I'm gonna go for a little bit more heavy whipped cream in there, and I'm gonna add some pasta water too. Alright, let's check on the noodles. Let's see how they're looking. Right there. No, noodles only take like 7 minutes, so I'll just say so. We're gonna try one. They're so cute, yo. The hearts. Get there. They're so cute. These would have been really perfect for like a Valentine's Day or date night with your man. All that. They really are cute. So definitely look. I'm going to try one. Yeah, look how they look. But it's still hot. Let me show y'all. Look at the hearts. So cute. And they're done. So I'm just gonna throw them in here. I do gotta have my chicken meatballs. I'm adding everything else but the chicken meatballs, but I'm going out cooking together because in reality, the meatballs are done. They just need to be warmed up. I'm just gonna throw everything in here at once and let it cook, warm up, marinate together, and then I'm gonna throw my Texas toast in the oven. I'm definitely add more cheese. Love cheese. Gotta have more cheese. Oh, no, no heart broke. Fine. It's life. But I'll come back once I get all the stuff in, and I'll show y'all this. Yeah, so I have it. Did everything in there. Meatballs in there. I'm about to let the chicken meatballs warm up. I do got my Texas toast over here. I'm waiting for my oven to finish preheating so I can throw those in there. And then I throw in sugar because I don't know a lot of people know this, but if you like lemonade, especially the Calypso lemonade, you know, boom, you put them in cold water. And what I mean, it tastes just like the lemonade. Just like lemonade, and it's on Amazon for like $7, $8, $9 maybe. I don't know, it's like $7 or something. But yeah, we're gonna. My oven's preheating like 155 right now, but we're gonna let the meatballs warm up and everything, getting on with each other, and I'll come back when everything is done to show y'all. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so the food is done. Texas toast. And it. So I'm about to plate it and then show y'all how it looks. Sorry, I forgot to turn my light off. Light be up expensive. This is how it's looking. I am gonna add some cheese on top. And more cheese. Texas toast. Curling. And this is my dinner. So for watching, remember to like, subscribe, and get ready for the next video because there's more to come.